Philippine p0lice kill, 14 men rights groups say were farmers. Philippine police said Sunday that 14 suspected communist rebels were killed after they opened fire during raids in a central province, but rights groups countered that the men were farmers and the latest victims of extrajudicial killings. Dozens of police, backed by army troops, were to conduct court-authorized home searches Saturday in a city and 2 towns in Negros Oriental Province when the 14 men violently fought back, police officials said. A police officer, Regional Police Chief Debold Sinas, said 6 suspected insurgents and rebel supporters escaped. Law enforcers, there. Human rights and farmers groups condemned the killings of the men they said were farmers, including 2 village chiefs, and called for an independent investigation. The Federation of Agricultural Workers cited the wife of one of the dead men, Edgardo Avellino, as saying that 10 men in uniform forcibly entered their home at around midnight, saying they would serve an arrest warrant. Moments after, a Roman Catholic bishop, Gerardo Alminaza, said among those killed was a church minister known for his good character and some members of a church group. Atrocities committed. The group said 6 farmers were killed and more than 50 others arrested in similar police raids in December in Gihalangan City and Negros Oriental, which lies on a sugar-producing agricultural island long known for its gaping divide between the poor and wealthy landowning families. President Rodrigo Duterte declared martial law in the country's south in 2017 to contain a deadly siege by Islamic State group, aligned militants and other insurgents. Although Negros police denied the 14 men killed in Saturday's raids were victims of extrajudicial killings. Aside from unlike communist guerrillas have waged a rural rebellion in the Philippines for half a century, one of Asia's longest. The violence has left